Hi, my name is Kyle Martin from Mountain Pacific Builders in San Luis Obispo, California. I grew up in a small town in New Zealand called Waipu. There was about 500 people. I grew up on a farm. When I came over from New Zealand, I had just finished college. I had a business degree and I started doing construction in Aspen. And that's when I realized that really being inside in a suit wasn't for me. I really enjoyed being outside, working with my hands. Working on these crazy big custom homes was something I really enjoyed. This project here is definitely a unique project for us. It's one I've been working on for the last 4 years in the design phase. It's going to be a horse barn and veterinary facility. So there's a huge amount of steel and wood combined together to create the effect of this big open barn that we couldn't get with just wood framing. The Festool products that I've used out here is the track saw. It makes it super quick, even in the framing stage. Sheets of plywood, we're able just to drop the track saw onto a sheet of ply and rip it in seconds, where before we'd have to marking it out, snapping lines. Where it took 5 minutes to cut a sheet of ply, we can do it in 30 seconds by just dropping the track saw on. 2 marks, bam, we're done. I can set the guys up on the forklift with the platform up in the air, where they can set a mini shop up on a 10-foot platform 20 feet in the air and have everything they need to knock it out. Whereas before we'd be up and down and up and down. It would take hours and hours and hours to do all this infill framing, where I can set guys up and they can knock it out in an hour, where it would have taken 8. On the Broad Street project, the Victorian home, the attention to detail is crazy. And the Festool tools allow us to do the precision work that we couldn't do with other tools, especially not on the site. The city is super strict on what we do. We have to adhere to every policy they have with the Victorian remodel. There's no room for sloppy work, letting the painter fix it. Every joint, everything has to be perfect. And these tools allow us to do that. This is one of Festool's latest tools, the Victoria, a multi-tool. As you see, the thing's awesome. Can do so many things. Obviously, I was just demonstrating how you can, for cutting wood down on the bottom of the door jamb, for hardwood flooring, to quickly changing the blade and being able to cut out drywall around the window. Most tool manufacturers have one of these. It's not a new idea. The multi-tool's been around for a long time. I think Festool has perfected it though. This thing's just got so much power. Yeah, having the guys have the Festool products is huge for me. It gives me a massive amount of confidence in what we're doing. Obviously, I'm responsible for purchasing all the materials, and so I don't want guys messing up cuts and having to cut things 3 and 4 times and waste materials. It's money down the drain for me. Obviously, the guys that are using the Festools on my team are my finish carpenters. They're doing all this high-end crazy work, and it's kind of funny. They're somewhat addicted to the tools, which works out great for me. He has all these amazing tools and is able to give me these amazing products.